Hey, it's Mr. Allred here. We're solving inequalities. So this one we have on the left hand side 2 times the quantity of x minus 4. And then all that is less than the right hand side, which is 5x plus 9. So if we go to our rules of solving equations, the first thing we notice is there's no fractions. So the next thing we look for is parentheses. So I can distribute this 2 into the parentheses and get rid of the parentheses so that I can move things around or reassociate them. So we'd have 2x minus 8, and that will still be less than 5x plus 9. And now we want to get all our x's on one side. So I'll do that by subtracting 5x from both sides. And I will add 8 to both sides. So when I clean everything up, I get negative 3x less than 17. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. Okay. My next thing is to get rid of whatever's in front of the x. So on the left hand side I get an x, on the right hand side I get a negative 17 thirds. But I divided by a negative, which will flip my inequality around. Okay. So when I put it in, it'll be x is greater than negative 17 thirds. Okay. X is greater than negative 17 thirds is my inequality form. So I'm going to put that on a number line. There's 0. Negative 17 thirds is less than 0, so it's to the left. So x greater than, so I want numbers to the right of negative 17 thirds forever, so there's an arrow. And it just says greater than, so it's not greater than or equal to, so it's a parentheses. And when I turn that over to interval notation, it'll be parentheses negative 17 thirds, and then for the arrow going to the right, it'll be infinity parentheses.